This has all the signs of leaking from behind where the tub wall meets the tub deck. I went to scrape the wall was blistered on the outside a little bit, and it just kind of crumbled. So, kind of investigating as I go here. The tub spout's not even touching the wall. It's a good 5/8 of an inch away from the wall. The hole there, they didn't even attempt to plug it with plumber's putty or anything. So the caulking failed. This is a 4-piece tub kit. I think you're only supposed to caulk the last 4 inches there on the very end. I'm going to squirt some silicone back up in there when I get that drywall out and try to plug that real good on the end. And then I'm going to cut the threads off the end of that copper pipe. And I got a little kit thing that came with the tub spout. I got some plumber's putty in that hole as a preliminary plug. And then the tub spout, it came with this plastic piece that it screws to. And then there's another plastic piece that screws to the inside of that with an O-ring. And then this thing, I think, is supposed to keep the whole thing from spinning, which I think is stupid. I don't know. Anybody grabbing a hold of your tub spout and spinning, trying to turn it, tell them to go home. So I'm just throwing that piece away. Anyways, I put this on in pieces. I put that first piece on tight to the wall, and then roll that O-ring up into, there's a little seat in there. And then this next piece screws to that. And when it gets tight, it'll screw over top of that O-ring and make a seal so water can't back up into that thing. And then it's the exact length for that tub spout. I took some tub caulk and caulked around that real good as a double seal, I guess. I don't know. And then put some, it came with Teflon tape. I'm not a big Teflon tape fan. I like the liquid Teflon, but it came with it, so I put it on there. And this should screw right tight to the tub surround. And then I'm going to go the extra mile here and put a tiny little bead on top of this tub spout, but only around like maybe 2/3 of it around the top, just so it'll shed water. And leave the bottom open a little bit just in case. I mean, it's tight to the surround. If any water gets in there, it can have a place to get out rather than just sitting in there. So after that, I'll go ahead and clean this out real good, finish my patch, and recaulk around the whole tub because it had caulking on it beforehand. I pulled it all off, so that should work, and hope that helps.